What's up, guys? We're doing our very first fishing vlog for 2020. Hopefully we'll catch some big fish. Still a little chilly, but I don't know. It's nice out though. Oh, little bro caught the first one, guys. First fish. First fish of 2020. Ooh, look at that. Small one, but it's a catch. Is it cold? Pretty good size. Whoa, guys, check it out. There's a garter snake here. Right there, guys, look. It's a snake. See if I can try and catch it. Shit. Yeah, it's gone. Finally got one, guys. Oh, it's big, fool. It's freaking big, John. I don't want to break the line. I got one, guys. I got a big one. Oh wow, I got a big one, guys. Oh, it's right there. It's a big one, guys. Oh shit. Yeah, look. Oh dang. Big ass bass. Yeah. I went in the rocks. Oh, there it is, guys. Dang. Yeah.
To the kids.
Here, you want this?
Put your left back.
Dang, whoa.
About 2.5.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
Maybe 2.
Heavy.
See if they want to take a picture of it. Let the kids take a picture of it.
Here, you do. I don't want to.
What the fuck?
I don't want to go over there.
Should I give you your number?
Oh, that was the big catch, guys. So we caught two fish. My brother caught one, I caught one. Alright, guys, so we weren't catching too many fish in the pond, so we we'll switch and we're doing creek fishing now and see if we have any better luck. Oh, little bro caught the first creek bass for the day. 2020 first creek bass. Oh, that's pretty good size too. Oh dang, that's a good size bass, smallmouth bass.
Yeah.
That's pretty big, man.
Get there, fuck up.
Good ass size bass, guys. 2020, our first creek smallmouth bass. Damn fool. Alright, good. Clean it. Yeah. Yep, there you guys have it. Pretty good size for our very first smallmouth bass. Alright, that's it, guys. We got one large mouth, one small mouth.
We got two.
Yeah.
We got the biggest one, but
Yeah, we only caught 3 fish.
not bad.
It's not bad for our first year of fishing. Garter snake, fool. Check it out, guys. Another garter snake. I'm gonna try and catch it. I'm Steve Irwin. Pin his head.
You pin his head.
Here, give me that.
Here, I got it.
You gotta pin his head, fool.
Here. I got it.
Hold it down so it doesn't. I'm gonna try and catch it, guys. It's just a garter snake. It's a feisty one, mate. Yeah, they're not poisonous. Good thing I watch a lot of snake channels. There we go. Can you walk over here and hold this down so his head doesn't move? You got it? Is my recording on?
Oh, I can't see.
Is it blinking? Hang on, don't let go yet. Okay, you can lick. Hang on, my hand is in the. Ah, dang it. He's stuck. Hang on, pin him again. There we go. Woo! Dang, cut this garter snake, guys.
Where's your pet?
Huh?
Where's your pet?
Nah.
You probably fucking eat it.
Yeah. It's pretty big. Anyways, guys, yeah, it's just a garter snake, non-poisonous.